and I'm excited to introduce to you the next generation 2021 GMC Yukon. Yukon is the flagship for GMC, and it is the only premium full-size SUV that is truly made to be used. Today, we'd like to showcase a number of advancements on Yukon. Engineering innovations, refined interior appointments, bold exterior design, and class-leading technologies.
As you approach, the Yukon is sure to turn heads. On the exterior, you'll first be drawn to the all-new satin chrome multi-dimensional grille, a signature for the Denali. On the 84, you can't miss the unique front fascia design with a higher approach angle, black chrome accents, and red tow hooks. The Yukon 84 is a large SUV that epitomizes premium off-road.
When you get behind the wheel, you'll find the next-gen Yukon brings our best driving dynamics ever. The biggest change is Yukon's move to an all-new independent rear suspension. And when paired with the first-in-class available four-corner air ride adaptive suspension and GM exclusive magnetic ride control, you'll notice ride and handling characteristics that offer a more comfortable and smoother ride. Yukon also imparts driver confidence through GMC's available active response four-wheel drive system. The system combines 4 fully integrated features, including an electronic limited slip differential, that together work to help improve traction, particularly in slick or off-road conditions. The 2021 Yukon also grew in all ways in terms of usable space compared to the previous generation. With nearly 5-inch longer wheelbase and greater than 6-inch increase in overall length, it offers 41% more third row legroom and a massive 66% greater cargo volume behind the third row than before.
Inside the Yukon's spacious cabin, you'll be surrounded by authentic wood, genuine leather, and premium materials, all with the signature GMC craftsmanship you expect in any trim level. The new Denali has gone even further by offering the choice of 4 distinct colour themes, each with coordinating open pore wood. On 84, you'll notice premium interior that is ready to get out there and explore. A jet black interior highlighted with brandy accents and a modern layout help Yukon 84 back up its authentic capability. You'll notice interior refinements extend throughout the Yukon's cabin, including the available class-leading power sliding console, which can move up to 10 inches using an overhead button to provide secure storage as well as more space for setting a bag, purse, or other small item. Yukon also features a push-button transmission, providing convenience within a clean, cohesive design. Second and third row passengers get a major upgrade as well, with second row bucket seats that have been completely redesigned and now manually slide up to 5 inches in each direction for maximum comfort. A flatter, lower floor gives third row passengers a more natural and comfortable seating position. You can also build on that spaciousness by folding the third row seats flat with the push of a button with the available third row power fold flat seat option.
When you hit the road, we have gone even farther and offered all the technology customers and their passengers desired. For the driver, the 8-inch diagonal instrument panel display, the class-leading available 15-inch diagonal head-up display, and the 10.2-inch diagonal premium GMC infotainment system keep the driver connected and in command, delivering information right where it's needed. For the rear passengers, our dual class-leading 12.6-inch diagonal touchscreens on the first row seatbacks transform the trip. Drives will go by in a flash as they stream their choice of media or play video games via HDMI. You can even plug in a USB to bring your own media along. Whatever the choice, this sophisticated system will help keep your passengers entertained on the road. With the rear seat screens optimized for all viewers, even those in the third row, every seat is the best seat in the house when it comes to Yukon.
The Yukon has become known for its ability to combine authentic capability with superior ride quality and comfort. Confident power comes from the 6.2-liter V8 standard on Denali, while the SLE, SLT, and AT4 are powered by the strong 5.3-liter V8. Later this year, certain Yukon trims will also offer the 3-liter Duramax diesel engine. All engines are paired with an ultra-smooth and efficient 10-speed automatic transmission. The V8 engines are updated with dynamic fuel management, which enables the gas engines to operate in multiple cylinder patterns up to the full 8-cylinder pattern depending on driving conditions, constantly optimizing efficiency and performance. The technology additions are numerous, and we've integrated many of our industry-leading trailering technologies from the popular Sierra trucks to the Yukon, with things like available integrated trailering app, available trailer side blind zone alert, and the industry's first trailer label, providing the exact capabilities of your vehicle. You'll always feel confident and prepared when towing.
Purposeful technology is a key pillar for us at GMC, and the Yukon delivers more of what our customers want. We're offering up to 9 available camera views, helping a driver confidently maneuver their Yukon. These camera views include HD surround vision for increased driver awareness, and the available rear camera mirror, which provides a wider, less obstructed view compared to a traditional rear view mirror. Yukon also offers a broader availability of active safety features, like standard automatic emergency braking compared to previous models. The GMC Pro Safety Plus package adds even more available safety features, including front pedestrian braking and rear pedestrian alert.
Whether you're taking your family on a road trip to remember, hanging out close to home, or anything in between, the GMC Yukon offers everything customers are looking for in a way only GMC can deliver. We're really excited to share with you the next generation GMC Yukon, the only premium full-size SUV that is made to be used.